Now, question. Define the following terms: ecosystem, ecology, and autotrophs. Now, and you describe how energy, that's question B, how energy flows within the ecosystem. And lastly, you should be able to bring out, differentiate between biotic and abiotic components of ecosystems. Answer plan. An ecosystem is a natural unit between living that comprises of living and non-living things. That's what we call biotic and abiotic components. Then, ecology is defined as a study of the ecosystem, that's the study of plants and animals. Then, autotrophs. These are organisms that capture sunlight to manufacture their own food. Now, question B reads that we should explain how energy flows in an ecosystem. You tell the examiner, energy flow in an ecosystem is not uniform. That is, as energy moves from one trophic level to the next, 90% of the energy is lost and only 10% goes to the next trophic level. And in an ecosystem, organisms that manufacture their own food are known as what? Autotrophs, and they are green plants. There are some animals that feed on these green plants, we call them herbivores. Examples of herbivores are goats and cows, even rabbits. Then there are some animals that feed on herbivores. We call them carnivores. Those are animals that feed only on flesh. Example is lion. There are some animals still within the ecosystem that feed on both carnivores and herbivores. Example is man. While at the top of the pyramid, we have what we call decomposers or dendrivores. These are organisms that operate in all trophic levels of an ecosystem. Then the last part of this question asks us to differentiate with examples between biotic and abiotic components. Biotic from the word bio, I mean the living component of an ecosystem. Examples, you have plants and animals. Animals here are both those that live on the surface and those that live within the subsoil. Then the abiotic components are said to be the non-living things that are found within the ecosystem. What are some of these components that are non-living and are found within the ecosystem? We'll talk about soil. We're talking about gases. We're talking about air. Water too is an abiotic component of an ecosystem. Now, you will note that